Hello you guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be opening up a 2021 to 2022 Prizm Blaster Box. I got this at a card show earlier today for a pretty good price. So yeah, I'm going to be opening it up. This format has 24 total cards, 6 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, 2 Blaster exclusive rookie disco, and here's a thick pack, so we can save that one for last. 2 exclusive rookie orange discos, 1 silver, and then it seems like we have a memorabilia on this. So here's base, highlight, and base, everything else in highlight. AJ Green, Legarius Sneed, silver in the first pack to Bengal rookie. Boom! Jamar Chase, silver. Jamar Chase, silver. This is a really nice card.
Is it?
Okay, so
Let's see. Yeah, I told you you could interest with me. Can I see it?
yeah, here. I saw Bengals. I was hoping it would be a rookie. Then we have a Rashad Bateman
We already
emerging.
have this card.
I have the green pulsar.
Which one's better?
The silver. That probably pays for the box. So sleeve up this. So yeah, that's a really nice card. And the centering is pretty good as well, so maybe send it to grading. Ty Law, Drew Sample, Caleb Farley, rookie, and Packer Orange Disco, Adrian Amos Orange Disco. So, yeah. Out of here. Devontae Parker, Jared Cook, Ronald Jones, then we have an orange disco. Oh, that's a nice one. Amon St. Brown.
Is it?
That's a really nice one, actually.
It's a rookie?
Yeah, rookie, Amon St. Brown. He had a good rookie year.
How much do you think it's worth?
It's probably like $10, $15. That has pretty good centering as well. So, yeah, that's halfway through the box, and I already have two nice cards. Deebo Samuel, Kenny Galladay, Javon Holland rookie, and who's that? Russell Gage, Deion Jones orange disco.
Who's that?
An Atlanta veteran. But, yeah. Okay. So, Deshaun Watson, Michael Brockers, why do they have him in here? Brian Dawkins, and Peyton Turner, rookie orange disco. Dawkins can go there.
I don't even know who that is.
Yeah. So, Peyton Turner, orange disco. Last pack. Thick, so it should have a memorabilia card. That pack doesn't want to just fall apart in my hands. It would be nice. So, let's see. Kevin Maway. Yeah, Kevin
He's a
Maway.
retired player.
We have orange disco. Last card in the pack is Odell Beckham. The memorabilia card, rookie year 20. Tutu Atwell. Okay. So, rookie gear, silver Tutu Atwell. So,
That's it.
I will get that in a thick sleeve.
Does he even play?
Yeah, on Los Angeles. Quick little recap. Veterans. Then emergent. And we have this Turner, which can go in there. Amon St. Brown, orange disco, rookie. And then Jamar Chase, silver. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. Bye-bye.